go to Google and search how can I change a string number because you now have 8, but it is a string, into integer in Python. Integer, not integer. Yeah, this is it. To convert or cast a string to an integer in Python, you use the int. It is another built-in. Okay, please comment. Go to your Google again, Google page, and see if we can find another useful thing in Stack Overflow again. Yeah, control and click on the carrier karma. Yeah, this link. Python string integer. Yeah, control and click. Scroll down. Close. On the right side, yeah. Scroll down. Scroll, scroll, scroll. Scroll, 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 scroll. Yes, 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 yes. Print integer 12. Copy. Yeah, Control C, all of them. And close this. Control V. Okay. Also, please comment the line 2 again. I don't want to input comments. Execute. By the way, please Control Z. Teach you another shortcut. Just click somewhere in the line 2. There is no important where. Just click. Yeah. Now Control. And yeah, this is also works. No need to select all the line. Okay, execute. Also, you have to name number is not defined. You have also comments. You have to comment the line 10. Just comment the line 10. No need to select. Very good. Control. Yes. Print int. It is 12. But please, in line after line 10, after the end of line 10, please hit enter. I want you to write some code before this. Yeah. I equal some number in quotation. Yeah. Now please enter and go to another line. Yes. And print the type of I. Print in the parentheses. Type in the parentheses. Yes. I. Okay, now please go to next line and create a variable integer I. Integer underscore with your own procedure to creating variable name. Integer I equal to underscore I equal, yeah, int parenthesis. Yeah, this is the built-in function in Python. Int I, which I now put I. Yeah, very good. Now in line 14, delete it. 14, yeah. Okay. First, in line 11, you have I equal 18. And line 12 will give us some information about the type of I. Now in line 13, we have made a new variable which name is integer I. Now please in line 14 print the type of integer I, the new variable. Okay. Also, please, after line 12, hit enter after 12. Also, print I itself. Print the variable I itself. Yeah, I. Very good. And in line enter, in line 16, print the variable integer I, which is a variable. Underscore I. Yeah. Now Control S and execute. Yeah. First class str is line 12, which is printing the type of 18. Okay. It is 18, but the type is a string. Okay. Also, you have 18 in the line 16. Integer I is also 18, but the type is integer. Why? Because in line 14, which is a very important line, you changed the first 18, which is a string, with the int parenthesis comment, you have changed it to integer. This is very important